Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI. If you are tired of having an aching back or a bad night's sleep every time you go camping, then I think it's time for a sleeping pad.
I love how comfortable this two-person sleeping pad is by Beyond Home. Comfort is not limited to just a thick sleeping pad, rather its incredible design. And this one truly impressed us. Because of these raised bubble designs that it has, it's super comfortable, so even when you're tossing and turning at night, it really envelops every part of your back and you don't feel the ground. I also appreciate that this weighs under 3 pounds. As you know, when you go camping, you don't want to carry many heavy things. Inflating this camping pad was an absolute breeze. You remove it from the bag, flip the bag inside out, and then you can attach it to the part where you need to inflate. It took us less than 2 minutes and around 10 pumps to get fully inflated. Deflation of this sleeping pad was super easy as well. So overall, I'm really happy with this sleeping pad, and so is my back.
And that is my point of view.